Hello and welcome to our amazing followers. Today we're sharing a new and easy way to make delicious cupcakes that both kids and adults will love. First things first, if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel, sharing the video with your friends, and hitting the like button so we can keep bringing you the best recipes here. Let's get started. Grab a large bowl and crack in 3 eggs, just like you see here. Next, add 1 cup of sugar. We use an electric mixer here because a hand mixer isn't as effective for properly beating the eggs. If you want to make sure the eggs and sugar are well blended, use medium speed on the mixer. Once the mixture is well combined and smooth, add a little vanilla, about half a teaspoon. You can use either liquid vanilla or vanilla powder, depending on what you have. Now, take half a cup of warm milk and half a cup of oil and mix them into the batter while continuously stirring, as shown here. Tip: make sure the milk is warm, not hot, so it doesn't cause the batter to set or affect the cupcake's texture. After mixing these ingredients together, we're ready for the next step. Next, we add flour gradually to the batter using a hand mixer. Mix until the batter is well combined and slightly thick. Then, add a teaspoon of baking powder and another teaspoon of vanilla, and continue mixing until everything is well blended. One of the key secrets to successful cupcakes is having a consistent mixing process so that the batter is smooth and just right. Also, be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cupcakes dense. After preparing the batter, move on to preparing the cupcake liners. Place cupcake paper in the trays to give them a nice look and touch. Tip: if you want to add extra flavors like chocolate chips or nuts, mix them into the batter before pouring it into the liners. Fill the liners about 65% to 70% full. After filling the liners, top them with chocolate pieces and then place them in the oven. Bake the cupcakes for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until they turn golden and look beautiful. Final tip: to check if the cupcakes are done, use a wooden skewer, and if it comes out clean from the center, the cupcakes are ready. For an extra special touch, you can prepare chocolate sauce or buttercream frosting and decorate the cupcakes once they've cooled. These additional touches add a fantastic flavor and make the cupcakes even more special. Also, try making cupcakes in different flavors like vanilla or lemon according to your taste, and add your own special touches. If you enjoyed the video and the recipe, don't forget to support us by subscribing, sharing the video, and giving us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.